Granite Ridge greens. And they've arrived. And Cordy's sticking their beak one at a time. You got to stick their beak into the water so they know where the water is. See, they're at the water already, right on. We got 100 baby chicks, meat birds, and then you can see the turkeys. Look at them looking up here, eh? I'm surprised the cats aren't down here yet. See, she's sticking the beak in. Make sure you stick his beak in there.
Doc, I'm trying. Get in one, I'll come in and out.
Do you want to go in there?
How do I get in?
I have to let you in.
I'm going to sit down and let them.
You might have to put your hands on my shoulder, because this is like Ken's way. You okay? Got it?
Yeah,
All right.
there's not step on any.
I know, they're so small, eh?
Okay, I'll be on this side.
Whoa!
Oh, I see them.
Now it's Kathy and Cordy, and they're dipping beaks. They're the beak dipping girls. I got my merge wixed again. Look at all the chicks that are inside my house. Push it over towards Kathy, Cordy, and give yourself some room. Just push the box with your foot. I'll take that. You got the shavings down? Look at Kathy go. What a natural.
She's down on her knees and it's killing my esophagus. This is beautiful. Oh, you want to go back to the water?
Yeah, they go right back right away, eh?
Can you do the food after?
Yeah.
This one's sitting right in the water. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, they'll do that. And they're gonna, he said they'll mung up the water and they'll poop in the water and this is our first go at chickens.
They're looking for food now.
Yeah?
Yep.
Well, let me leave.
He's beside the washer. Somebody's already peed and shit on the floor. Yeah, there's some poop over there too. Don't worry about it. Okay, I'm going to turn mine off now. Okay, I'm taking it.
I'll have to leave it like that for now. And we need some feed.
Fuck me, Daddy.
Hey!
Okay, so tight as we got. Okay. The turkeys are the same size as the chickens, but they got brown hair. Okay, I'm going to try this again. Okay, we got our chicks, and I am taking chicks out. Look how cute they are. And I'm putting them in their water dish, showing them how to drink the water.
They've never had water yet, kids. This is their first watering, so you got to put their beak in there so they know where to come and get their water. And I better get them some food. I'll be back.
I gotta make sure I don't sit on any of these guys. There's a whole pile. Look at them all in the box. I'm still taking out. Oh, this one's chicken. Back in that one.
Oh yeah, child-proof bags, eh? Yeah.
You gotta get water. Okay, getting some more chicks out. Whole pile. Put them in the water dish. Drink the water. And I'll just look around. There's chicks everywhere. Oh, this one I grabbed backwards. They all like the water dish. Look, they're running all around. Got my ass in it. Okay. I'm going to stop just for a couple minutes so I can take some more chicks out and put them in the water. And we'll come back. They're standing all look at them all. Don't know you said. Did you say ass? Did you say ass, Kirby? No. Oh, that sounded like ass. I'm going to have to listen for later. No. Okay. Start there for now. The water just getting over full. I know. Some of them won't leave. Okay, break. They're running out of places too.
Did you fill that water container?
Yes, yeah.
And they've already drank that much, eh?
Yeah.
So this is their little food dish here, and it closes
Did it like that, dude.
down on these stems here.
Well, I'm trying to get back in the box here.
Yeah, he wants to go back where he came from. And that's their feed.
Kathy's going to finish them off.
Jones Feed Mills.
I can't.
Ontario, Linwood,
Got two sides over here.
feed bird,
I think what you do is just take a video and
and a number. Jones Feed Mix.
Kathy, I'm covering the chicken.
So what we're going to do,
We're trying to get you guys. We're trying. Okay, so whenever you're ready, just push the red dot. Yep. And then it will. On TV. And that'll take a picture? No, that was a video. We're doing a video right now.
I'm going to fill it right up because
There are a lot of chicks there. This boil's putting a lot in the water. Oh, come to this side now. Look at him, right? Didn't he have this dude? Isn't he just gorgeous? I need to have to look at ice and say, there you go. That's a beautiful thing. Yeah, there's Kathy holding the little chickies. Oh, Miss Boyle. I'm sorry, Miss Boyle. Okay, I gotta give him some water. Yeah. Want some water.
Corey, can you put that down on the other side beside Kathy over there?
Push that red button now.
And put it down from the water over towards the wall. Yeah, that's good, like that.
Anyway?
Yeah, and away from the wall a little bit because the turkeys will be piggies, eh?
Coming over. Check it out.
Ms. Boyle's doing a good job for us here.
Yes, she is.
See, we got a big box of birds.
Yeah, you like the water?
I'm just wondering, there might be one bad one down there.
We're going to tell you about the tape.
Yeah, well, oh well. Yeah, they know food. Look at it. They never had food before. And once they come and have the food, they'll be fine. I think, yeah, one bad one.
What? There's one bad one down there. Okay, don't worry about him. Just get the rest of it. I'm trying to. Sorry, Kathy. I got upset there. I didn't think I should. I gotta make sure I don't grab it.
Just zoom back out a little bit.
And Kathy, there's one behind your butt. I know. It was climbing on me. Okay. Keep on turning and grabbing the back.
Look at Ken. Look at your sister. Right into the chickens. To the chicken lady.
Tamara will be jealous.
Yeah, Tamara want to do this too, eh?
Yeah.
Well, maybe next time Tamara can do it with us.
Oh, I gotta.
I'm going to get another load in, if I can get them in, let's see, May, June, July, middle of July.
One dry. I'm kind of upset. Okay, you gotta get under the water so you put your Just move one of them. Don't be afraid to move. I know, but they're enjoying the water. Oh, that one missed the water totally. Somebody found food. Yeah.
Oh, they'll all find food. He said it'll take some of them a while and some of them will feed right away, he said.
Some of them are nipping right at my finger. You're nipping at my finger. That's the turkey. That's the turkey. I know, but it's nipping at my finger, so go there.
Look at all these birds.
Look at them over here.
I can't believe I got all these birds in my house.
They like the sunlight there.
Oh yeah, 2 double lamps?
No, but they like the sunlight. They're going in the light part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, from the window. Well, once we're done, I'll put the broom in. I'll pull the shavings over to here. I didn't want you guys pulling all the shavings out.
You just go right to the water, Kathy. As soon as you put them down. Okay. That's what I've been doing. Sticking my long faces in there.
You really got to watch where you step, Cordy. Because you're under your feet everywhere, right?
They jumped over me and everything. They're behind Kathy's back. There's one going in there now behind Kathy.
Pull the box out, one stuck in behind it. Get him, Cordy.
Come on out.
No, get him. He's got to go in the water.
Well, you know he's already
Oh, has he been?
Yeah. You want to flip the box around one more time?
Spin the box so she can get to it. So we got one.
That's why I'm not moving up and forward because I know there's behind me.
One fatality, eh?
That's not bad.
That's not bad out of 100 checks. Just watch putting your foot back down, Cordy. They're under your heel now.
You missed
I'm
one.
glad Kathy's feeding them because I'd had heartburn. I couldn't go anymore. Come on,
Yeah, that
little
works.
birdies,
Good,
eat
eh?
the food. Eat the friggin' fucking...
Hey!
He's on.
Trash mouth.
He's on now. Okay. We keep all of them keep going back to the...
Alright, I can cut the video off if I have to.
Come on,
Is yours still on, Kathy?
No, I turned mine off. I should have did it like that. But
Just watch your hip against that wire because it's not on the heater very well. It's just to keep them off the heater. Your right hip.
yeah.
You're gonna have to put more water in that after. They're really loving this water.
Yeah, before once someone gets out, I'll go fill the water again. Is that the amount? No. Got a few more, eh?
Couple more, I'm just trying to do something.
The food's over here, not in the corners of the house. Look, Kenny, look.
You're gonna come right to my camera. You're gonna go like that.
They're coming right to your camera.
Look.
Look, there's light in the camera. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a meat bird star.
That's what you gotta do, baby. You gotta drink. Okay, you gotta drink. Yeah, put your little face right in there. See, that's water. That's
I don't know
water.
if this is going to help or not.
Okay, Kenny,
Yeah, that helps a
can
bit.
you do us a
Oh, I got my
favor?
camera the wrong way.
And take that.
Yeah.
Just slowly give it to me backwards and I'll take it.
There we go.
And we got one fatality and looks like someone ate the back of them a little bit.
Kathy, did you see him on my shoe?
Yeah.
That's not bad, all the little poops and stuff in the box. And you always have a couple of dead chicks, so
This way it's better.
unfortunately that chickie didn't make it.
Look at them all.
Thank you, Kathy.
Yes, thank you.
I hope Cordy out.
Camera.
Whoops, I can help Cordy out. Kenny, hang on. I don't want to hit none of them.
So what we're going to do here, I'm going to put this over here. We're going to take the broom.
Okay. Because Cordy's not moving. They love my camera. I'm trying to put my foot down, Gabby, but
Come on,
hang on, Kenny, they won't let me.
come on.
They're playing with my camera.
You're going to have to just, they won't even let me take them away, so you're going to have to just take my hand.
Yes, be careful. Me and Kathy became your mothers. Now we just gotta
But
look
just,
at my
instead of
camera.
lifting your feet, slide your feet across the shade, like you're skating almost. And I'll let you out, because they're going to want to come out when you come out now. Undo the screw. Step out.
Get out of the way, you little...
Put your hand on like, no, you gotta put your foot down. Put your foot down, easy. Now your other foot, stick it out. I've got you, eh?
I know you did.
Put your hand on my shoulder if you have to. Push against me. Pull yourself out, perfect.
There you go, little buggers.
There, we'll
Is Kathy's in
leave
there?
Kathy in there.
Kathy, are you their mother?
Yeah.
Come on, little guys, I'm your mother.
That's Kathy, our surrogate. Right on.
Mrs. Boyle, the surrogate.
Miss Boyle.
Miss Boyle.
Miss
Hey.
Boyle.
Check this out. Watch it. Right, put my
What's this
camera
thing
down.
on?
Alright, let's put it over here because there's nothing over here.
Yeah, they're going to the light of the camera, eh?
They like the picture.
They can see themselves.
Yeah. I turned it around.
I don't know
that
if I
way.
can get right in on your camera there.
What's
They're gonna attack you right there.
Yeah, look at them going after a camera.
They're all getting their food, too. They're all behind Kathy's ass again.
You gotta watch your language.
Oh, they're all running away. I'm gonna move my camera over.
Yep, they sure like your camera.
Can you tell the part from the turkeys to the chicken?
Somewhat. I can see the darker heads.
Turkey head. There's a
Those are the
turkey.
turkeys, yeah. The darker head.
There's another turkey.
There's more here. 1, 2,
This one's
3,
eating my finger.
4, 5, 6,
Look at them go.
6, 7. You know what we're doing tonight, don't you guys?
You know what I still got to do? I got to put this door in, or the cats are going to be in here.
We gotta get chairs and
We're
sit
gonna
here
talk to my
tonight.
camera. Oh, they
You're
turned
letting
it
in all the
off.
Hey,
mosquitoes.
you want to take that for a minute?
You're letting in all the
Okay, I'm
mosquitoes.
getting
Yeah,
up.
I know. So I'm closing
Are you
the door.
trying to hide under me? Are you guys all trying to hide under me? Look at y'all.
And behind you,
Yeah.
they're all
I
coming
feel
in.
the one on the behind me attacking me.
There's more than one.
Oh, here, try some food.
Well, look at all the black flies and mosquitoes.
Hey, don't you behind me. Okay, I'm getting up, guys.
There's a couple
Do you need a
behind.
hand?
No, not
Yes, not yet. Hang on, Kathy. Watch where you put your stuff.
yet. I know.
Oh, you have 4 of them behind
Give
you.
me your hand.
Wait a second. Let me just do this slowly.
There you go. Anticipate, she's leaving. What's going on? We can.
thought I was going to get something.
No, you're fine. See, they're all going to the water
Go
now.
that way.
Me and Kathy are getting out there.
You know you're filming your own self. Eh?
No, I was busy with this. Jesus Christ, eh?
Well, I gave you the camera to film, and you're holding it out your chest.
I have to move. I have to move.
My God, my God, my God. The woman with the backwards everything. They want to come out with you, Kathy.
They locked
They're
me.
trying to come out to the thing with you.
I want it. They just came all around me.
So what I did was there's a screen that came with the place. It was actually down in the in that sawmill out there, way out there. So I hemmed it over, and I hemmed the bottom in an inch with my folders, my sheet metal folders, and I stapled this board. And then you do up the screw a bit, and that holds it shut. And then we take this clothes peg, because Ken walks into screws all the time. So instead of me taking a piece of my shoulder off, we put that on there so that you don't walk into it. But here they are. The meat birds. Look at them all over here, eh?
They're eating the shaving because they can't find the food. But look, they found the food.
They know where the food is, though. They'll be hungry enough. They'll follow the other ones.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take the broom.
I want that one from
I need the broom for 1 second. And we're just going to move some more shavings this way. Watch it, little guys. Okay. Come on, get out of the way. You can't eat that stuff. Come on. You guys are being a real pain in the butt. I just realized we're not pointing at the camera again. Come on, guys.
Who's just talking? And to them.
They're in my way. Come on, you guys.
He's trying to put out the sawdust.
They run into the broom and everything. Wow, they're noisy, eh? This is going to be a noisy couple of weeks. They said if I don't have a spot to keep them until they get real feathers, they got to be under the heat lamps. And that's how I did the heat lamps up. Wired them to the ceiling. Put them about 1.5 feet apart. And that should be enough for them to stay warm. They should all be able to cuddle in there for the night. Anyways, Granite Ridge Greens. Peace out. We got our meat birds and we got our 10 turkeys. So we're all ready. The next thing will be gardening, but I got to get the sawmill done up and a pen put in there for these guys and some piglets if I end up buying some pigs. The piglets are up to $200 a piglet now. They were 80 and now they're 180 to 200. Anyways, Granite Ridge Greens, over and out. Have a good one, people. Hope you enjoyed this. We're so happy we got birds. This is the first time we've ever had birds. 10-4, over and out. Peace out.